Razor bumps, also known as ingrown hairs, appear on the face and neck as a result of shaving. Razor bumps are also known clinically as pseudofolliculitis barbae, or PFB. You can see an uneven tone and texture in the form of bumps on the skin. All men are susceptible to razor bumps. Razor bumps happen most often in men who have thick, curly, coarse hair in the beard distribution. I've had razor bumps myself. Some men go to great lengths at home to make their razor bumps better. They've used all sorts of topical ointments that they found on the internet, and sometimes even instruments to try and get these razor bumps to go away. Usually men are very unhappy with these at-home remedies that they do themselves, and I oftentimes recommend, before turning to that, to use a razor that's been specifically studied and designed to help reduce the incidence of these razor bumps, such as the Gillette SkinGuard razor. The razor itself has removed any ingredients that would irritate the skin and also added a unique skin guard to help enhance the shaving experience and allow for us to have a close yet comfortable shave. Every man deserves to get the best shave for their skin. Click here to learn more about razor bumps.